guys, today we'll be doing for you a traditional Italian dish, but we're taking some shortcuts. It's a bolognese we're making with chicken. So it's chicken bolognese with pasta. Okay, this, as I said, is a traditional Italian dish, but you know, in Jamaica we like to participate in many things out of many one people. So first you want to ensure that your pasta is cooked al dente, not too soft, not too hard. Then you can get right into your seasonings that you've chopped up. I'm doing my onion first, or my garlic I should say first, in this oil. I'm just sauteing it gently in the oil, ensuring that it's not burnt. This, by the way, is a shortcut recipe. It's not the long form. Maybe another day I'll do the long form for you. We're going ahead and adding some sausage just for flavor, because this is really chicken bolognese. We're adding a little sausage for flavor. Totally optional. And we're adding, you know, tomatoes or bell peppers, onions that we had already prepped. Having them come to a nice little sauteed setting here, where we know that the flavors will be released into the oil nicely. Because we want to ensure that all the flavors are coming out in this meal here. As I told you, it's a shortcut version. Usually you can use it with your tomato sauce or just fresh tomatoes and combine it with all your herbs and so on, but we're doing the shortcut version. This is the chicken. Normally you can use your ground chicken. We're using chicken from the can because this is a very short, quick and easy version. So we just want to, we drain that off, and now we're combining with the rest of seasonings and stuff, right? And getting it all mixed in together. If you're using the fresh ground chicken, it will just take a little while longer to cook, maybe 25 minutes to cook into these seasonings. But using the canned chicken, as you saw with just me, is a quick and easy version of it. Just for persons on the go, you're coming home and you want something really quickly. This is a short way of doing it. You're not making the sauce from scratch. As you will see here, I am using my prego sauce, which is an Italian sauce, right, that you could be making from scratch, as I told you, with your tomatoes and your herbs and spices, and even adding a little wine if you will. But you're using this prego sauce for the shortcut, right? So it's just as good, believe me. It's flavorful. We've done it before and it's really very flavorful. Wow, this smells amazing up in here. Really smelling amazing, I'm telling you guys. So you just want to saute that nicely into it. While it's simmering there, you just ensure that the sauce is combined with the rest of seasoning, because you add the fresh seasoning, not because you have the sauce ready made. Doesn't mean you can't spice up your sauce. So that's what we're doing to ensure that we get a little authenticity to it nonetheless. Here we're adding some oregano. Yes, if you don't particularly like the flavor of oregano, you can omit it, because it has a strong enough flavor, I can tell you. Then if you like a little pepper to it, you add some red pepper. We're using the red pepper flakes. You could have crushed your own original red pepper, but here we're using the flakes. Add a little bit of butter, and voila! As soon as this butter is melted, this sauce is ready to serve up with your pasta. Believe me, this is just as delicious as making it from scratch. So we want to plate your pasta really gently and nice. You use a tongue to serve your pasta because it makes it that much easier to lift onto your plate and to give you a nice tidy finish when you're doing this. So here we go, we have it all set. We're making a nice little bed to receive the sauce on it. Yeah, so here we are with our bolognese sauce now, gently lowering it down gently. Oh wow, look at that. My taste buds are active right about now. Aren't you just salivating watching this recipe unfold, watching us plating it as well? Awesome. Look at that. Look at that. I tell you, this is something else. There you have it, your chicken bolognese in a flash. This total time can be like 15 to 20 minutes for preparation. Okay guys, now if you like this video, remember to give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Until next time, see you. Ciao.